Welcome to the live bench evaluation of the Renesas RZ V2L Factory Automation Lab. This cutting-edge lab emulates a smart manufacturing line where AI-powered visual inspection is used to detect anomalies in real time. At the core of the system is the RZV2L SoC, a dual-core 1.2 GHz Arm Cortex-A55 inches with a 200 MHz Cortex-M33 real-time core and integrated DRP-AI accelerator. Key hardware and system capabilities include real-time anomaly detection using tiny YOLO V2 at up to 20 FPS, embedded AI acceleration via DRP-AI for high-speed, low-power inference, a Lego-based conveyor to emulate real production lines, a USB webcam for object detection, and a display output for result visualization. GPIO-controlled motors and sensors for belt movement and item detection. Click Plug In to connect to real hardware and start the evaluation. On the left, you'll find input controls to interact with the system. And on the right, you can view the evaluation results. In simple mode, start the detection to begin monitoring. Watch the results live. The system highlights any anomalies automatically. You can also view key updates from the system during the process. Click Stop Detection Algorithm to terminate the process. In advanced mode, configure detection settings before starting. Set conveyor direction, speed, and confidence threshold as needed. Begin the detection process and monitor results in real time. Stop the session once evaluation is complete. Live Anomaly Detection window displays bounding boxes around anomalies. Electrical Data tab shows power and current metrics of the RZBoard and conveyor. See the design in action with live video, streaming the entire lab setup in real time so you never miss a detail. The Progress Log window provides real-time updates, keeping users informed about all events in chronological order. This ensures complete visibility into the evaluation process. Need help? Use the AI-powered Knowledge Assistant to get instant answers for any question related to the lab or from the datasheets. Need more details? The hamburger menu gives you access to the complete user manual and additional resources. Curious about other LiveBench projects? Click the home icon to explore more exciting designs. Thank you and happy evaluation!